Hello and congratulations on your new Ford Bronco. On behalf of all of us at Jess Ford, we wanted to reach out and congratulate you because we are thrilled and excited that you are part of the Bronco family, regardless if it's a Bronco, Bronco Sport, or Bronco Raptor. But I wanted to let you in on a little secret exclusive to Bronco owners. That secret? It's Bronco Off-Roadeo. So first, let's get into what is Bronco Off-Roadeo. Bronco Off-Roadeo is an exclusive off-road driving experience designed for Bronco owners like yourself. It's a chance to take a Ford Bronco off the beaten path and explore challenging terrains with the help of a professional instructor. And you know all those buttons, flips, and switches in your Bronco that you have no idea what they do? You'll learn exactly what they do and more at this course. And the very best part about this course is that it is completely free when you purchase your new Ford Bronco. One of the main benefits of this experience is that you receive top-notch training from experienced off-roading staff. You're basically in a convoy. So the instructors lead the convoy, you're in your own Bronco, and there's other people behind you in their Bronco. But they help you master the capabilities that Broncos have to offer. Whether it's from rock crawling, water crossing, unbelievable descents. And when I say unbelievable, I truly mean unbelievable descents. The Off-Roadeo is packed with thrilling experiences that you will absolutely never forget. If you don't believe me, here's some running footage of when we took the course in spring of 2024. Roll it! So hopefully by now you're thinking, how do I participate? How do I take this course? And I'm letting you know, it's easy. All you do is scan the QR code that's on the window sticker when you purchase your new Ford Bronco, or go to broncooffroadeo.com. And from there, you'll be able to see the 5 different locations where they offer the course and the available dates that best suit you. So the first location is Horseshoe Bay, Texas. That's where we took the course, and it's the original location. They have a plethora of different driving terrains. So they have dirt, slick rock, muddy, just about everything you could experience when you go off-roading. Second location is Las Vegas, Nevada. There they have dry riverbeds, rocky hills, obviously sand dunes, everything that you can think of off-roading in Nevada, they have at this course. Third location is Moab, Utah. For those that want to experience challenging rock crawling, red rock formations, and breathtaking desert scenery, this is definitely your location. The fourth location is Guilford, New Hampshire. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This offers dense forest, scenic routes, rugged trails. The fifth and newest location is Maryville, Tennessee. And it hasn't even opened yet by the time I'm making this video. It opens October of 2024, and it offers rolling hills, lush green forests, and winding trails. So now let's talk about you are registered, what to expect, how to prepare. They do recommend that you wear pants. Obviously, we did not wear pants when we did it. So it's okay if you don't. If you just want to stay cleaner, wear pants. And you definitely have to wear closed-toed shoes. They recommend boots, but it's not required. Mud, everything like that, boots are the safer bet. They do have water stations throughout the courses, so bring a water bottle. When you first get on site, they have a hub location where you'll go, and they'll have snacks and stuff that you can pick up for free and take on the course. And they also cater lunch and dinner, so you don't have to worry about food, which is really nice. One of the great benefits of this is you can bring up to 3 additional guests, just as long as they're 12 years or older. But it's an awesome, incredible experience that you can share with other people, and they'll never forget it. They can be drivers if you want to register them as a driver, just as long as they're 18 or older, or they could just be passengers and enjoy the experience while you are doing crazy things in a Bronco. So wrapping this all up, I really hope that you take advantage of this opportunity, specifically to Bronco owners. You learn so much about the Bronco and its capabilities, makes you more comfortable in your Bronco, and you can show off a little bit. If you have any questions regarding the course, registering, whatever it is, feel free to reach out. The email is going to be marketing@jessford.com. Regardless if you're a Jess Ford customer or not, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us because I would love to help you. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and give our channel a subscribe. It helps our channel's growth in what we do. And again, my name is Nikki with Jess Ford, and happy off-roading. No, let's restart. No.